Express, Savannah vents. Come in the car, you turn the ignition, the fan is on. We got nothing going, although the heating works because I'm gonna go on the highway. I feel the hot air coming in. Same thing on the AC. The switch not working, so I'm gonna replace the resistor and see if that works. It's burned. One of the elements is completely burned. Compare the new one with the old one. You can see the newer one has 6 pins in there. The other one has only 5. One is burned. And if you look at the harness, this also burned. So I will install the new one, but again I will have a problem with the wire harness at this point, so I have to solve this problem, and then I'm sure it will work. Okay, all the wires will transfer from one plug to the other. There's the old plug. And by transferring the wires, you don't have to cut them, so that's the way to do it. Okay, we just finished installing the new resistor for the fan blower motor, and turn the ignition on, and moment of truth, we'll turn on the fan. You can hear it. So problem fixed. I hope the video helps you out.